Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying basics so the real work proceeds smoothly. First, plug Chromecast into the TV's HDMI and use the correct HDMI input. Power it with a reliable USB adapter. Next, open the Google Home app and make sure your phone and the Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential because discovery depends on local network visibility. Once done, update the app and note your router password. Make sure to keep the phone's Bluetooth on for pairing. Now focus on the network layer because most failures live there. Reboot modem, router, TV, and Chromecast. Power cycling clears stale leases and routes. Wait a full 60 seconds between cycles to let hardware reset. Then verify the network band. Put both phone and Chromecast on the same 4 GHz or 5 GHz band for discovery. Make sure features like AP isolation, VPN, or client isolation are off. These block device-to-device communication. Finish by confirming the setup and cleaning up edge cases. If discovery or casting still fails after network fixes, perform a factory reset on the Chromecast and repeat the Google Home setup. This clears corrupted configs. Try swapping HDMI ports, using an HDMI extender, or testing on another TV to rule out TV HDMI issues. If you suspect your router or ISP, connect the phone to a mobile hotspot and try setup. If that works, focus on router settings or contact your ISP for deeper diagnostics. This isolates the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.